That's what I'm saying, that audience will have fun कि उनके romantic गाने भी इतने हैं और party numbers भी इतने हैं. We have like about 30 people of crew coming. They've got a face for the camera and she's got the voice for the mic and her personality for stage. So as you said, that she's like proper छोटा packet बड़ा धमाका. और उनकी smile, it's so welcoming.
Voice आजकल और मीडियम your message.
Good day, everyone. My name is Navneet Anand from Voice Article, our medium, your message. The message of today is going to be a musical message by RJ, teacher, theatre artist, and whatnot, Mansi Patel. Mansi ji, welcome to the show.
Always a pleasure, Navneet. Thank you for having me.
What's cooking? What's the new show?
What's cooking good looking? The new show is, you know, नेहा कक्कर लाइव इन कॉन्सर्ट. बड़ी बड़ी मन्नतों के बाद वो कहते हैं ना, और उनके शो में मुझे वही याद आता है कि इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है, क्योंकि आपको भी पता है कि एक दो बारी पोस्टपोन हो गया था. तो अब इट्स फाइनली हैपनिंग. Neha Kakkar is coming to Sydney on 22nd of March and Norwest Convention Center पे होने वाला है, and it's going to be a धमाल concert. So that is what is happening. I would say we are very grateful to our sponsors. Imigo presents Neha Kakkar live in concert powered by Shuddha Dairy, and education partner is Sydney Academy of Public Speaking. So thank you so much to all our sponsors who have believed in us. Sydney मुझे लगता है अब seasoned हो गया है. इतने concerts हुए ना, उनको exactly पता है कि वहाँ जाना है, खाना है पहले बाहर, फिर अंदर जाके full on मस्ती करनी है और घर जाना है. तो एक्सपेक्ट ये कर सकते हैं कि नेहा कक्कर का some information I can give you is that she's prepared really well. We have like about 30 people of crew coming. So we have got a lot of musicians are flying down here, and usually you know कि crew size 10 to 15 का रहता है, but it is massive crew size. We also have a very good opening act by AXR Dance Academy.
Aishwarya.
Yes, Aishwarya and her students, and they are brilliant at what they do. They always set stage on fire. It's magical to watch them. So हमने वो भी add किया है. And then this time I think it will be very very refreshing to see young kids on stage जो Sydney Academy को represent करेंगे. उनका भी एक छोटा सा opening act होगा, एक छोटा सा part होगा. So I think अब तक शायद हमने छोटे बच्चों को hosting करते हुए नहीं देखा, तो वो भी बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग होगा. एंड नेहा कक्कर के 88 मिलियन से भी ज़्यादा इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलोअर है. शी इज़ गॉट अबाउट 14 बिलियन व्यूज़ ऑन यूट्यूब, millions of subscribers on YouTube, and she's very popular. Like she's been there for like what 15 years, from Indian Idol to Karan Aujla ke saath tie up. Her every song is a blockbuster, from Saki Saki and you know Dilbar, everything.
नेहा कक्कड़ के नाम लेते ना, सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में आता है भी छोटे पैकेट में बड़ा धमाका.
हाँ ट्रू. और उनकी स्माइल, सो वेलकमिंग. रोमांटिक आप देखो ना, वे हानिया का फीमेल वर्जन, फिर मस्ती वाला शी इज गॉट काला चश्मा, ब्लू है पानी पानी, मनाली ट्रांस, हनी सिंह के साथ उनके कितने गाने, सैया जी सामने बैठे जाम पीरे पीरे, लाइक everything from that. That's what I'm saying, that audience will have fun कि उनके romantic गाने भी इतने हैं और party numbers भी इतने हैं. So it will be super duper fun. They have got a face for the camera and she's got the voice for the mic and her personality for stage. So as you said, that she's like proper छोटा packet बड़ा धमाका.
कितने घंटे का परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है?
I think we are expecting के 7 बजे doors will open. 7:30 we'll start the show.
By the time people settle.
I think about 2 hours.
About 2 hours.
Yeah.
Tickets. Where can we buy the tickets from?
Dry Tickets. www.drytickets.com.au, and we've got a special discount code for Voice Aajkal, which is 20% discount code for our media partner. और code है NKS20. फिर मत कहना कि मैंने बताया नहीं. NKS नेहा कक्कर शो NKS20.
So 20%.
हाँ.
अगर मैं बात करता हूँ नेहा कक्कर के इस शो की, सिडनी कब पहुँचने वाली है?
सिडनी आई थिंक शो के एक आध दिन पहले तो वो आएंगे, but I want to give a huge shout out to Beats Production. जो national promoter हैं, and they have done a fab job. I think आर्टिस्ट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है और शायद आप मेरे साथ अग्री करेंगे कि चाहे जितना भी बड़ा हो, you in today's world, you still need that one person to believe in you, to say that no, this is going to be a blockbuster, and to put that faith and money in the product. So I have a huge respect for people who can do that. I would like to give that shout out to Beats Production, who have shown that courage, and they've done a fab job with organizing. Or Hillsong is one of the most expensive and the most best venue. We have the best in the market, from our production guy who's doing, Manish is doing our production from RMG, and Northwest Convention Center, तो आपको पता ही है. So production is also very good. The sound, the quality, the feel. एंड सी कॉन्सर्ट्स का यही होता है ना कि आर्टिस्ट कोई भी हो, गाने तो आप यूट्यूब पे भी सुन सकते हो, जब आप कॉन्सर्ट पे आ रहे हो तो यू वांट दैट फील, एंड वी आर हियर टू डिलीवर दैट फील. एंड सिंगिंग विद द आर्टिस्ट एंड फीलिंग द इमोशन एंड क्राइंग विद देम एंड डांसिंग विद देम एंड लाफिंग विद देम, इट्स डिफरेंट. Look, first of all, thank you so much, Navneet ji, for giving us this opportunity to interview with you for Neha Kakkar live in concert. And as the world knows by now, I would urge everyone to come for this show. We are 70% sold out, and we have got last few tickets left. So if not now, then probably never. You don't know when artist is gone, when are they coming back, and when are they doing the show again. So book your tickets now on www.drytickets.com.au. 22nd of March, 7 p.m, Norwest Convention Center, NKS 20. I will be also there, and I know I will see you there.
Don't forget the promo code NKS20 for the 20% discount on Neha Kakkar show. Mansi, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
My name is Navneet Anand, signing out for Voice Ajkal, our medium, your message. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
VG Times. Be with the times.